Yeah. Heyo. Ayo. Hey guys, it's Melanie and today is a really exciting video, I'm not gonna lie. So I did some damage. Like, I went shopping. I mean, I'm a teenage girl. I need to like get my daily dose of shopping in, you know? Okay, but I didn't do this all in a day, obviously. And I know it's January, but this is kind of like my Christmas haul because I wasn't here for Christmas. So this is kind of like what I bought with my Christmas money, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I bought. Don't judge me for the excessive amounts of makeup that I purchased because just don't, please. You can leave if you're gonna do that. Bye. So for starters, I went to basically like 3, 4 places. I don't even know. I don't even know where to start. I'll start off with this. I'll start off with MAC. This was my first MAC purchase. I don't even know. But I used to be that girl who was like, never will I ever buy anything from MAC. I'm never gonna buy anything high-end. I'm not gonna touch makeup. Like, just embrace your natural beauty. I'll just, like, I wash my face with water and that's it. Like, that was literally me. And then something happened. So, yeah, I'm a hypocrite. End of story. I went to MAC, my first MAC purchase, kind of spur of the moment, to be honest. I wasn't really expecting to buy this stuff, but I'm kind of stupid, so just kidding. I don't regret these purchases. I actually really like them. So the first thing I got was MAC Prep and Prime. I put it back in the box just because I like to keep boxes for stuff. I don't know why. Basically, this is like a prep spray and a setting spray and a spray your brush spray. It's a spray for everything. So I was kind of just like, might as well, because I was this close. Just kidding. I was so close to buying the mini one, but then I was like, this is a ripoff, because even though minis are super cute because they're small, they're actually a ripoff. So then I was just like, I'll just buy the whole thing. While I was there, randomly, I just freaking bought this. I don't know why. I really didn't need to, but honestly, I'm really happy I did. This is the Pro Longwear Concealer. I got the color NC35. It matches me perfectly, and it's so good. Like, it's so good. So I'm like, at first, I was kind of like, what the heck, Melanie? Like, you really don't need this, but then I was like, I should return this. But then I was like, it works really good and I really like it. So I'm going to keep it because it makes me happy. Really happy with my purchases. Good job. Yeah. So basically, I do this thing where, like, out of nowhere, I get super, like, into something. Like, I've always been into makeup, but then, like, out of nowhere, I was kind of just, like, into makeup, if you get what I'm saying, because I was like, I don't know. Well, I was. So I kind of went a little crazy and I was all like, oh wow, I want this makeup. And like, I don't know, some stuff kind of just happened. And I don't know. I have this little basket full of all the random stuff I bought. This is all from like Walmart and Target. Just random pickups that I picked up. Like, it's been a long time. This probably started in 2017, all these purchases. But then I was like, I never put them in a haul, so I might as well just put them in now. First off, I got this Vaseline Lip Balm. Honestly, I got like 20 lip balms, and I really don't need it, but my lips are so chapped that I keep buying them. This is my favorite lip balm. I literally had 3. I thought I lost all of them. I bought this, and then I found 2 of them. So whatever. But then I was like, I'll just keep it because, like, this is one of my favorite lip balms and I use it all the time. And it's cute because it's in a little Vaseline jar. It's so cute. Honestly, half of these are lipsticks. I got this Burt's Bees lip balm. And this is in the peppermint and vitamin E. This is like one of my favorite lip balms because it makes my lips tingle, and I don't know why, but I really like the sensation. I remember the first thing. So many lip products. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's do the other stuff. I got this baby skin primer. I really like this. It feels great. I feel like all primers feel kind of the same, like the silicone-y kind. So like the Smashbox one and like the e.l.f. ones. But I really like it still. So like, yeah. Okay. And then I got this Milani Foundation. Funny story, I actually bought this like 2 years ago, but for some reason I was just reading off the names of the colors and I read one of the colors was tan and I was like, yeah, I'm tan. So I didn't even look at the shade and I bought it and it was literally freaking orange. So I actually checked my color this time and got it, and this is one of my favorite drugstore foundations for like full coverage. So if I'm doing like something dramatic or like playing around with my makeup, I really like this because it's a concealer and a foundation, 2-in-1, really good. Next, I got this from e.l.f. It's like an illuminating, like, liquid illuminator, $3 or something, and I like this for being like under my highlight if I want to be super dramatic, or I mix it in with my foundation and then it makes me glowy. It's kind of the same as like the L'Oreal Lumi but cheaper. Got this e.l.f. highlight in Moonlight Pearls, which everyone likes. I really like it. It has a layer so you have to scrape it off, but who cares, it's fine. I'm wearing it today. And then I also got this Wet n Wild one, which I've been trying to get for like 10 years and I finally found it at Walmart. It's called Precious Petals. It's this highlighter and it's so freaking nice. It's like my favorite highlighter. Really, really love it. Got all these lipsticks and I'm not gonna swatch them because I hate swatching stuff and I'm sitting on my white bed and I would probably like ruin my white bed. So if you want to see any like swatchy things or more like in-depth makeup videos, since I literally have like 200 billion products, I will just tell me and I'll do that later. I got 3 Revlon lipsticks because I really like these. These were also on sale. They were like $2. I got one in Berry Rich, which is like a berry color. Maybe I should swatch it. I feel kind of bad. Freaking sucks. Tell me if you want that for the next video. Sorry, it's too late. Rose Velvet. Rose Velvet is one of my faves. It's like a dupe for something. I don't even know, but it's a really good like rosy velvet shade. This one in Pink Truffle. I got these 2 Maybelline Vivid Glosses because I heard these were really good, and Nikki's Tutorials was like, oh my gosh, get it in teas, it's so good. And I'm literally stupid. Did I really think it would look the same on me as it did on her? Because I was like, it looks so good on her, I need to get this. Like, no. It's a good product, it's just, why did I buy this color? And I got in this other color too, which like actually looks good on me. So good job to me. And this one's in Unreal. I got the Milani Make It Last because I know I went on that little rant about how I love Milani, and yeah, I heard really good things about this. I was trying to decide between this one and the Make It Dewy, and then this one had better reviews, but I still kind of want the Make It Dewy because I'm really dry and I like dewy things. So I just realized I forgot to put a lip product on, so I'm kind of bummed because I might look like weird in this video. This NYX lip thingy, and this is in 03. It had a cool name. Oh, it's called Kiss the Dust. Really, really, really like this. And this was on sale. It was like $1 or something. I don't know. It was really cheap. I got this Milani one in 69 Matte Beauty. I love Milani lipsticks. Can you say that? I got this Neutrogena lip balm and it's like tinted. The only thing I don't like is when I used it, it cracked and got all ugly. I'm kind of annoyed because this freaking lip balm was like $8, but something about Neutrogena just appeals to me, man. And the last thing I got was this Revlon Lip Gloss, and I kind of bought this spur of the moment too because it was on sale for $3. So I was like, heck yeah. You know what? I'll put this on right now. Smoky Topaz. That's everything from Target/Walmart. Just to make myself feel better, I'll explain to you for a third time. I bought this in literally like 20 different trips, so please don't hate on me. Oh, actually, I also got this from my friend. Thanks, Giovanna. Lip gloss set, and I really, really like these because they make your lips tingle, and I don't know if I said this earlier, but I really like that. Next off, Ulta. So first off, I got the Jaclyn Hill palette, you know. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably one of my faves right now. It's so good. Love it. Thanks, Jaclyn. You rock. Also from Ulta, I got like 20 other things because I went crazy. I got this moisturizer from Garnier because I'm freaking dry as frick, and I heard good things about this. I got 2 pairs of lashes because I've been really into Dramatica lashes. I'm trying to find a good pair of like drugstore ones that I really like. These are Ardell Fox Mink Faux. Oh my gosh, did I say Fox? They were only like $3 each, I think, which is cheaper than normal, which was pretty cool. So I got a pair of 812s and a pair of 811s. I really want to try like Dodo lashes and Lily lashes and Bombshell lashes and all those like 3D mink ones on Instagram that are really popular that all the beauty makeup Insta users use. But those are all freaking like $15 for a pair, and I'm not trying to spend that much. I got this e.l.f. primer in the hydrating one. It's blue, and I really like this, but it like high-key feels exactly the same as this, so I don't know. But it was on sale at Ulta. Thanks, Ulta. I don't know why, but everything at e.l.f. was on sale at Ulta. So then I got this lipstick, and don't know the shade names, but it's okay because Elf never puts the shade names, but it's double-sided, so there's a light one and a dark one, and it's like day and night. Then I got this Catrice under eye concealer, and it's, whoa. I've been trying to find this for a long time because Tati said she likes it, and I was trying to find a new like under eye brightening concealer, and so far I think it's like alright. I'm not like crazy about it. I got in the shade 10 Porcelain, which obviously I'm not porcelain, but I'm using it for my under eye, so calm down, okay? Yeah, that's all I have to say. I also got these Makeup Revolution drops. They're kind of like a dupe for the Cover FX ones that are like $40 for a tiny little bottle. So it's a much bigger bottle and it's way cheaper. And then I bought another freaking lip balm because I suck. And another thing, Rosebud Salve is one of my favorite lip balms, but it's also one of the ones that I keep losing because I had 2 of them. I couldn't find either of them. I bought this and then I found both of them and I was just like, okay. It's okay, because now I just have so many lip balms. I had to start my camera again because I've been talking for 20 minutes straight already. It's from Morphe. I wanted to buy it at Ulta, and then I realized they don't sell it at Ulta because they only have some Morphe stuff at Ulta. Also, shout out to Ulta. They have all the brands. They have Catrice, they have BH, they have Sleek now, they have Morphe, they have LA Girl. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. Like, high five. Go Ulta. Yeah, don't know where I was going with that. A normal person would look at this and be like, that looks like a makeup palette for like 5-year-olds who like crazy colors, but to a makeup enthusiast like me, I was so excited. Just kidding. I'm not really a makeup enthusiast, but I really, really like this palette. I played with it a little. Follow me on Instagram. And lastly, from Sephora. Exciting. This is one of my first purchases, like actual purchases from Sephora also, because I don't know, I just never really shopped there before because, you know, how I said I was more of a drugstore gal. I got a few things. I actually went a little crazy. This is a funny story that's not so funny at all. I would keep getting gift cards to Sephora and then I would just never spend them because at the time I wasn't really into makeup because I was too focused on my like academics and whatnot. So I was all like, I don't need makeup, so I kind of just saved up all my gift cards to Sephora. So I had a lot of like money for Sephora. And I was like, you know what, Melanie, treat yourself today. Like, you're gonna go buy some stuff from Sephora, and I'm really excited about it. So I was like, heck yeah. I went on the website, I put my stuff in my cart. I was like, so excited, like this is gonna be great. And then I pressed the order button and then I realized I didn't put the freaking gift cards in. So basically I just spent all my own money on this, so love life. But I mean, you know, what can you do? Like, I'll just show you guys what I got with my own money and not my gift cards because I'm stupid. This was actually on sale, which is awesome. This was only $13, which you may think is expensive, but I think it's a freaking good deal. It has a mini moisture surge. I'm sorry, I don't care why people don't like the word moist. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Sorry if I just made you like cringe or something. 5-ounce one literally cost $12, but this entire thing was $13, so what a steal. Can't wait to be all moisturized. I got a little package of like samples. Love them because they're freaking adorable. But honestly, like some people, can you do a little better? Because like these I understand, they're like masks. So it's like a one-time mask, which makes sense. But some of these, they're just like so a tiny dot. You think that's gonna cover my whole face? I don't think so, Sephora. They're like lipsticks, but look at them. They're so tiny. I just thought that's so funny. Who uses lip masks? I feel like that's the most extra thing ever, but I'm so extra, so I'm probably gonna end up using it. Got this Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm wearing it right now. I really, really like it, and I feel like the color actually matches me decently, which if you know me, that's pretty good because I suck booty cheeks at finding my foundation shade. Really can't like color match for anything. Like I'm so bad at it, but I feel like this matches me pretty well. I got the color 290, and then the very last thing, the most expensive purchase that I was supposed to use my gift card for. JK, that's the back. Let's try this again. Oh my gosh, it's upside down. Amazing, okay? And I had like mixed reviews, so I was kind of nervous because I literally paid like $60 for it. Something about this, I don't know. And I wasn't sure, like I couldn't decide between the like the Dusk Till Dawn, I don't even know if that's the name, that one, or this one, which is the rose gold. But I decided on this one, and then I realized it doesn't have a mirror in it, which is kind of stupid, but whatever. I like that it's see-through so that you can actually see the shades, which you can't right now because it's reflective. But if I tilt it right here, you kind of can. So yeah, that was the last product, and that was where all my money went. So sorry that this video was literally 30 minutes long. Hopefully there's still some people watching, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Melanie, the makeup enthusiast now. That's what you can call me.